Right, what's going on, guys? New 23 HD Games, and I'm going to be doing a pack opening today. I'm going to be removing 131k to 31k. I'm doing 100k pack opening. So let's get this kicked off with a Tim Cahill pack. Come on, Tim Cahill, give me someone good. Should we let the ball roll or skip it? Nah, I'm going to let the ball roll. Come on. Come on, EA. Morales! Now that's not a bad pack. That is not a bad pack. Not a bad pack at all. I'm going to get a fitness card, so that's not bad either. I'll just discard everything else, because everything else is all shit. Okay, and a messy pack. No, I want it. Thank you. Right, come on, EA, give me someone good. Come on, EA. Come on, EA. Please. Come on. Shit. EA, you're giving me all this shit. Why? A striker to centre forward. I might as well have that. It's probably worth it. Okay. I mean, what shit packs are you giving me? Right, come on, EA. Come on. Please. Sandro. Now that is not bad at all. You'll go for about K and a half. And everything else is just shit. So look. You've gone down 20k already. Wow. Oh, sorry about that, guys. Alright. We're gonna get in this pack. Tell you what, stuff this, I'm gonna skip it. Diego Lopez! I did not mean to send him to my club. Shit. Okay. Okay then, tell you what, I'll just carry on doing this and put him up at the end of it. Because he's just a lot of shit anyway. Right. Who do we get in this pack? Come on, EA. Please, someone good. Van Boynen. Ooh. You probably... I did not mean to do that. Fuck's sake. I keep on meaning to do... Ooh, I got 99k exactly. Trying to cut that down. Right, come on, David Alaba. Come on. Packs haven't been very good for me lately. So... I don't know why they haven't been good for me lately. They just haven't. Bridge Hangeland. And Diego. Ooh, chemistry style. And a K. Oh, we get a K back. Wow. How much is he worth? I don't actually know. How much is he actually worth? I'm sorry about this, guys. Alright, okay, he's probably worth just quick selling. Cause he's just crap. Right, no. Let's just discard because they're all shit. Oh, a Vidal pack. A Vidal pack, come on. Come on, Vidal. Come on. Yeah, stuff this, I'm gonna skip it. Ooh, Kerbling and Song. Now that's not the best pack, but it's a good pack. Ooh, and Zogby as well, so yeah, he'll do well. I'll tell you what, I'll just stuff it. Oh, I'll just put all these in my club, and then just put them up on the market at the end of this fucking thing. Right. Come on, Vidal. Come on. Someone good. Someone good. Come on, Vidal. Come on, Vidal. Come on. Stuff it quick. Crouch. No. No. El Shaarawy pack. Ah, it hurt. Me too. Sorry, guys. Me too. Who are getting this pack? Who do I get? Oh, No, it's Bastuba. Ooh. Free gold pack. Free gold pack. Yay. Okay. Bastuba can just get stored in club because I'm just going to quick sell him anyway. Oh, I was going to go for Messi pack, but I might as well just go for my bronze pack. Well, not the bronze pack, but free gold pack. See how I get in this one. Really? Fucking hell, I got 500 coins. I suppose that's good. Oh, I want a Messi pack. Oh, Falcao pack actually. Oh, or Falcao pack or anything. Come on. No. Sorry about this, guys. Oh, come on. Oh, it's stuff. I'll just go for a David Alaba one because I can. Who the hell's that? Fitness. These are all the shit packs, EA. Why are you giving me this crap? Alright. Alright, I'll just let you know when the next pack opens because my arm's getting tired, so I'll be back in a bit, guys. Well, I've just opened the other pack and what a load of shit. Oh my god. I don't even know why I'm bothering with this. I mean, you see like all the other YouTubers who open packs, and then you get like mint players, and then you just see me with this shitty pack opening. Oh, come on! Screw my life! EA's just fucking me over. I got a good player in the other pack of the day. I got Iron Robin, and now they're just all being shit. Again! Why are you doing this? EA! Fucking hell. Right. I've got down 80k. I'm at 50k now. This has just been absolute shit. Skip. Oh, again! Fucking hell. Fuck you, EA. Shit ass player. Shit ass game as well. I want to be like all the other YouTubers and get like really good players in packs like Royce or someone. We're getting no one good. I'll tell you what, let's just let this one flow. Who the fuck is that? And that. I don't know, but I'll just see how much they're worth. Oh my god, we're at 30k. Alright, this is the last pack, guys. It's a messy one. Hopefully we'll get someone good in this last pack. Because after this we'll be down to 31k or somewhere in that margin. Yeah, 32k, so... who do we get? Oh, Sirigu! Finally someone good! Finally! Thank you, EA. But altogether, that's a pretty shit pack opening. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed. Like and subscribe if you have. Like, put in the comments if you want, like, see me do anything else. And yeah, I'll see you guys later. Peace.